my channel, never tasted before. Today's recipe is mutton korma. The first main ingredients is I have taken 500 grams mutton, washed and removed all the water. This is 2 medium sized onion, sliced and roasted till golden brown. 1 cup of curd. 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. 2 tablespoons of chironji slightly roasted. 1 cup of coconut roasted and grinded into a powder. Half a cup of groundnut roasted and removed some cover of it. 1 medium sized onion sliced. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Half teaspoon of turmeric. Salt to taste. 2 teaspoon of red chilli powder. This is Kashmiri red chilli powder. And 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. The first step is grind all these roasted ingredients: roasted groundnut, roasted coconut powder, roasted poppy seed, roasted chironji and dry roasted onion. Grind all this to form into a fine paste. After grinding, the paste looks like this. I have added a bit of water and grinded into a fine paste. Now let's start cooking. Take a pan, switch on the flame. When the pan gets heated, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil gets heated, add 1 small sliced onion. Fry till it turns golden brown. When the onion gets brown, add ginger garlic paste and turmeric powder and cook it for few seconds. After few seconds, add red chilli powder. Mix well. Then add the grounded paste. After cooking for a minute or 2, then add curd. Mix it well and cook till it leaves the oil. You can see it slightly started leaving the oil. Now add the washed mutton pieces. Add salt to taste. Remaining red chilli powder. Mix this well. After mixing well, add a cup of water. Mix well and cook. After mixing well, close the lid and cook till 3 to 4 whistles. I have cooked the mutton for 3 whistles. Let's see. Oh wow! It has left the oil. Now, as you can see, now add mint leaves, chopped coriander, and little bit of salt and a teaspoon of garam masala powder. To make it in a gravy consistency, add half a glass of water. It's up to you. If you don't want a gravy consistency, you can skip this step. Mix well and cook it on a low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's see how it's looking. Oh wow, it cooked nicely. Now let's transfer in a bowl and do some garnishing. I have transferred in a bowl and garnish with 2 onion rings and coriander strand. You can see how tasty it's looking. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Never Tasted Before, and click the bell icon for more notifications whenever I upload a new video.